Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, Coloring with Dee. My name is Donna. And today I'm doing something actually a little bit different. This item is not art related. However, it is something that is going to be important for me because of the fact that I have a lot of anxiety, panic, etc., which I know a lot of people who are in the coloring world and the rest of the world actually, have problems with it. And this is something that with my brain the way it is, etc., plus being ADHD brain, I need something else to do. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Pardon me. And that squeaking is my shoes. I wear orthotic plates, and in this particular shoes, they squeak. So anyway, so let's get to this. My safety box opener. Not exactly the easiest. See, I shake everything. Okay, anyway, so several years ago when I was in a therapy class, and they had some different items that you could use or whatever to help self-soothe, so to speak. And so this is one that I liked, and I saw it recently again, and I was like, okay, I really want one of these. That's my instructions, and this is it. And this is called a Fidget Cube, and it is by Antsy Labs, and that's the original company that made them or makes them. And let's go ahead and open this up. Have this open here. Trying to do this still through my phone. I got a new camera because my old one had a little accident, so I have a new camera that I need to work on learning how to use, and I've been trying to do it and it's not working, so I have to call my really good friend, my new best buddy, and see if she has a moment to help me with it. Okay, back to the task at hand. See, I'm already distracted somewhere else. Woo, squirrel, shiny. What's this say? This bubble wrap kept your Fidget Cube safe on its journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself and pop a few. Fidget fever. Hashtag fidget fever. Oh gosh, yeah. I definitely love to pop bubble wrap. Anyway, it's been kind of a crazy day. Here's the package. Oh, it looks kind of like it has a little pushy lever, like a switch on the side there. I guess I could get mine. And I also got for it a little special case so I can hang it on something. I hope it's not blue because it's supposed to be green. Anyway, to help protect it, and then I can hang it somewhere. Because stuff drops out of my hands. Okay, so that's the case. That's what it looks like. It got jumbled around in the shipping. How do I open the... Oh, here we go. Okay. Most likely there's one over here. And of course their website is antsylabs.com. Pardon me. It says on here, Fidget Cube was made possible by 154,926,000 people on Kickstarter. This was also, I saw this on the YouTube channel How to ADHD. And now if I could figure out how to open the box, we'd be fine. If I could open it without breaking it. There we go. Hey. Anyway, so I've been watching this channel. I forget the lady's name, but it's How to ADHD. It has a lot of information for those of us who are ADHD. And, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, we all found ourselves clicking a pen, shaking our knee, or tapping our fingers during meetings or in class. Fidgeting is totally normal behavior, often accompanied... hello. Fidgeting is a totally normal behavior, often accompanying moments of productivity, concentration, and brainstorming. We designed Fidget Cube as a tool to satisfy the natural urge to fidget throughout the day. And that's AntsyLabs.com. Oops. Noise. Oh, it comes in a cute little bag. There's something in the bag. What's in the bag? Ooh, is that a sticker? Oh, that's a sticker. I like stickers. I don't think I should put it on my box though, should I? I'll have to figure out where I could put it. Okay, so here's this. Well, I know this is supposed to come off here. Well, this doesn't want to. Anyway, for right now, this is like a ball that, well, it's supposed to, either it spins or it clicks. And you've got a click thing. Or you can do it really noisy, or you can do it where it's just quiet. There's these little spinny little dial things. And there's this thing that you can go around in a circle. And there's this one. And this one is a smooth kind of feeling. I don't know if you can hear that. It makes that noise. You've got like a worry spot. Now I need to get to the little buttons on the bottom. What the devil? Did they glue this thing down? Oh my God. They did. Great, just what I don't need is sticky. Oh. That's one thing I don't like is sticky stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, but when I'm doing something, it's a tactile irritation that incites my OCD to want to constantly clean it until it's not sticky anymore. Oh boy. And of course I'm doing this all off camera. Anyway, so these buttons, some of them stay down, some of them don't. This one just presses. It just presses, I don't know how to show you. I had a sticky thing on my fingers here, but then here, this makes a clicky noise. And this one. And this one just pushes in, doesn't make any noise. That one's noise, it's hard. That's medium. That's hard again. And this is just a pushy buttons that don't make anything. But cool. Huh. Although this might drive me nuts. But still, that's just cool. I like this. This is really cool. Anyway, so then at least what I can do, pardon me, is put this in my pocket when I'm going somewhere, put it in my purse, I'm feeling anxious or whatever, or I'm required to sit still and I can't really sit still any longer, I can pull it out, hold on to this, and play with it in a sense. Not that it's, in a sense, that type of a toy or anything like that, but it's will occupy my brain while I'm doing stuff or trying to pay attention to something. Anyway, well, I guess that's enough for now. Oh, let's look at I like the box. Okay, then this thing is called a fidget prism. And it's meant to go on the outside of this to protect it. And then, like I said, so you can hang it on your keychain or something. Put it in your purse. Yay, it's fluorescent green. And it's got a stretchy cord on it. Okay. Let's see how. Now this is the next trick. Haha, how do you get this on it? Oh, scraping my nail polish on it. I don't know, is it just me or does it just not seem like it fits? Hey, I think I got it on there right now. Yay, it's on the right way now. See, now all this dirty on here. I'm going to have to clean that. But anyway, this is my Fidget Cube. This is the little clippy. I can put it on whatever. I can put it on my keychain if I need to. But now I have something awesome. Alrighty, well, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and you have a good day. What I'll go ahead and do is in the description, I will put in there the link to the company that makes this, and then the links in order to get to the actual cube and the fidget prism. Alrighty, well, thank you again very much for coming to my channel, Coloring with Dee. Thank you very much for putting up or, watching my video on this, considering it's not a coloring item that I would normally post, but I thought it would be very interesting. And if you would, please go ahead and click the like button or the dislike button. Either is fine with me. Let me know why you like or dislike this particular video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe, and also be sure to click on the notification bell so that you will know when my next video is posted. And once again, thank you very much, and you have a great day. Alrighty, bye-bye.